Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great clearance price travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center, and it is our pod time. Retro style teardrop camper. This is a 2014 Forest River R Pod 182 RG. This has got the rear outside kitchen, which everybody loves. Got some pretty neat features. All fiberglass, very little maintenance involved. Got a power tongue jack, and it's got a slide out. So neat little camper, weighs 2,850 pounds dry weight, so you can tow it with a smaller vehicle. Of course, always make sure you know your vehicle's towing capacity before RV shopping. Check with your vehicle dealer. As we look around, folks, got some pretty cool features on this camper. These things are rare, and the ones you do find online, people want stupid money for. And this one's actually very affordably priced, considering the equipment and the features it has. It's got the outside kitchen. You just open this up. Got some really cool features in here. Put your grill out here. You've got an outside sink with hot water. You've got speakers. You can put you a TV out here. It's got TV hookups and mounts. Use this for an outside kitchen. You can use it for a utility. What am I trying to say? Your utility area. You've got lights. You've got stereo controls, so you can actually change the station and all that and listen to your speakers out here. Great for tailgates. It's got a LP gas hookup, so you can hook a grill up to it very easily. It's got a little hitch on the back, so if you want to put a bicycle rack or anything like that back here. These are good-looking little campers, folks. There's a lot of clubs that you can join with these teardrop campers. A lot of, in fact, there's even an R-Pod club, I think, that has rallies every year. It'd be really neat to go to. And unlike some of the other teardrop campers on the market, like the Tadas and things like that, and the Tabs, this is one a grown man can actually stand up in. So, got the code for the lock. We step inside here, folks. I mean, it's everything a big camper's got, just shrunk down into an easy to tow and park package. 2 bunks in the back. You got a full-size bed in the front that the table makes down into, so you can sleep 4 people in here. Plenty of lights. It's got a roof air, got a furnace, water heater, got a 3-way RV refrigerator, so it actually runs off of LP, electric, or gas. Electric 12 volt or LP. Got a microwave, stovetop, doesn't look like it's ever been used. Got a sink, nice cabinets, TV, of course your Jensen audio system that you can control from outside or inside. A DSI water heater. It's a power slide out, so you just push a button. I mean, it's everything 1 or 2 people need, and you can sleep more with the bunks. Got a side bathroom, and this is a wet bath, so the whole bathroom makes a shower. So you've actually, for this size camper, you're only talking about 18, 19-foot camper. You've actually got a decent sized shower thanks to that. You got your own sink in there, shower curtain, so definitely a neat feature. Another cool feature is this table is removable. You can set it outside, put it behind your camper at the outside kitchen, have a picnic table. So it's got some neat features in here, day, night shades, LED lights. Very affordably priced for what this camper is at only $11,900, folks. And just a reminder, all clearance price travel trailers include a major systems inspection by our certified RV techs that will be completed after purchase, which on these little campers doesn't take them long at all. There's just not that much things to check on them compared to a motorhome or a big fifth wheel. It also includes a walk-through demonstration by the tech that checked it out. He's going to spend some time with you, especially for those of you who've never owned an RV before. He's going to show you how to operate everything, how to hook it up at the campground. He tell you anything he had to do to repair it to make it pass that inspection and more. And that's also included for that clearance price of $11,900. And you get a year of free camping at select nationwide RV resorts nationwide. Includes up in the, it's lasts for a year. It includes up to 21 nights total. up to 7 nights at a time. Tremendous positive feedback from customers who've taken advantage of that free camping that we give you. And folks, these aren't state parks or KOAs. I mean, these are $100 a night RV parks if you had to stay there, you know, right off the street. So just a neat little incentive or a bonus that you get. 11.9. Now, folks, the clearance priced RVs do not include a 90-day warranty. If you wish, at the option A price of 11.9, you can add a warranty for $500, a 90-day nationwide warranty. Or we also have option B pricing. Option B is you buy the unit as is, as it sets, just like you see in the video. No checkout, no walkthrough, no demonstration, no camping, anything like that. You can take $300 off for option B. And if you do decide to buy the warranty, folks, just to clarify any confusion, the warranty company requires us to do an inspection on this RV before we can write a warranty. So that means that you have to buy it for the option A price and add $500 if you want the warranty. So price with the warranty, $12,400, $11,900, or $11,600. Just depends on what equipment or what features and what you want us to do to it, folks. Just let your salesperson know which way you want to go. You got 3 different prices there. $12,400 checked out with a warranty, $11,900 checked out, or $11,600 as is. Thank you for watching my video, folks. I'm going to be posting several more travel trailer videos. Got some really good deals out here. We're just trying to clear them out, folks. And we're not, you know, our main business is motorhomes and fifth wheels and toy haulers. So we've got all of our travel trailers value price, clearance price to move. We're not buying any more travel trailers, but we do trade for them all the time. And folks, you know, and people are all the time wanting to trade these in an RV, so we're always going to have a few, but we're trying to get down to where we have more space for our Class A, B, and C motorhomes, and that's our big sellers. That's 80% of what we sell, folks. So, you know, all these travel trailers, you look online, this R-Pod's, you know, 13, 14, 15 grand everywhere else. You can buy it here for 11.9 with no extra fees. You know, and it's just it's a good deal, folks. Look around, Google it, check online. You know, it's a nice little camper. Don't think it's going to last very long, especially right now. It's early spring. It's prime time RV season, but we're selling these things right at wholesale value. So we're not getting rich off of it by no means. Most of these travel trailers we have marked down to cost. In some cases, we got them marked below cost. So, you know, you get a chance to buy one for what the dealers pay. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.